Swamp puppy likes to chew on stuff. This is between the house and his little home over there. He's finding things to chew on. I should give him some kind of chewies or something. He likes this spot over here too. He goes down this hill down there to his house, down to the swamp. He's chewing on some garbage over here. Not the greatest thing. Not like I can. I don't really. don't really have control over him, so he's somewhat of a wild animal, half wild, half pet. For some reason, he likes this spot here, laying over here in the sun in the morning. That's his official home down there. Over there is the swamp. Some bamboo growing over here. Swamp puppy. Over here's where his sister got killed in the road over there. Most likely where he's going to be gone. But hopefully he's smart enough to stay out of the road. He likes to chew. I gotta get him some chewies or something. What is that thing he's chewing on now? Is that like a plant or a bone or what? I don't know. He's chewing on something. Looks like a bone, maybe. Hopefully some big dog doesn't come over here and beat him up. He seems to be upset at something. Maybe he heard that dog bark. He's looking down the hill, though. What do you see down there? Huh? What's the swamp puppy seeing down there? You going down there? He's upset by something down there. Something in his home. Maybe that evil cat, that evil little cat is down there. I don't see it. Swamp puppy. What are you seeing, swamp puppy? Huh? You see something he doesn't like down there. He's upset by something down there. Maybe he's gonna go down. I think he's more afraid of it than anything else, whatever it is. What's down there, swamp puppy? Huh?